గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ లో వర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం కదమ్మా. ఆల్రెడీ 5 sums are finished in exercise 3. Now look at the 6th sum. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds by the other by 3, find the numbers. Sum of two numbers. Let the number is equal to ఏమనుకోవాలి? First number x. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 3, one number is, let the one number is x, other number is equal to x plus 3. ఏం చెప్పాడు? ఒక నెంబరు దానికి 3 ఎక్సెస్ అంటే 3 యాడ్ చేస్తే వచ్చేటటువంటిది సెకండ్ నెంబర్. ఆ రెండింటిని కలిపితే వచ్చే నెంబరు 95. నెక్స్ట్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ టూ నెంబర్స్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు sum of two numbers is equal to 95. What is the equation? x plus 3 is equal to 95. ఒక నెంబర్ x, ఒక నెంబరు దాని మీద 3 ఎక్కువ, రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే వచ్చే ఆన్సర్ 95. This is the equation. Once look at x 2x. 2x plus 3 is equal to 95. 2x is equal to 95 plus 3 is equal to after minus 3. 2x is equal to 95 minus 3, 92. X is equal to 92 by 2 is equal to 46. What is the first number? What is the first number? One number is equal to 46. Next number what ma? X plus 3 kada? 46 plus 3 is equal to 49 is the once check it or sum is right or wrong. X plus 3 is equal to 95. 46 x plus 3 what is answer? 49 is equal to 95. 46 plus 49 is equal to 95 is equal to 95. This is the answer. Let the one number is equal to x and call inko number ఆ ఫస్ట్ దానికంటే 3 ఎక్కువ అంట, అంటే x plus 3. ఆ రెండింటిని కలిపితే వచ్చే ఆన్సర్ ఎంతంట? 95. What is that both numbers? 46 and 49. 46 and 49. Next sum. Look at seventh sum. Sum of three consecutive integers is 24. Find the integers. Consecutive integers. Do you know that consecutive integers? What is that consecutive integers? X plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. These are all the consecutive integers anamata. X plus 1 already you learned in the integer chapters. X plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 is equal to how much ma? 24. How much? 24. Consecutive అంటే లైన్ గా వచ్చేటటువంటి నెంబర్స్ అని అర్థం అన్నమాట. అర్థమైందా? x 3x. 1 plus 2 plus 3 6 is equal to 24. 3x is equal to 24 plus x is equal to after minus 6. 3x is equal to 18. X is equal to 18 by 3 is equal to 6. What is the x value here? X. Now numbers look at. First x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 6 plus 3. 7, 8, 9. లైన్గా వచ్చినాయా రాలేదా? ఒకదాని తర్వాత వచ్చేటటువంటి లైన్గా వచ్చేటటువంటి నెంబర్స్ని కన్సెక్యూటివ్ ఇంటిజర్స్ అంటారనమాట. మనం ఏమనుకున్నాం ఆ ప్లేస్లో? ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 1, ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 2, ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 3 అనుకున్నాం. ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఎంత వచ్చి మొత్తం వీటన్నిటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత రావాలట? 24. x 3x 1 2 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 3 6 3x plus 6 is equal to 24 3x is equal to 24 minus 6 3x is equal to 18 x is equal to 18 by 3 that is equal to 6 1 now x plus 1 x plus 2 x plus 3 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 లైన్ గా వచ్చినాయా రాలేదా లైన్ గా వచ్చినాయా రాలేదమ్మా నెక్స్ట్ find the length and breadth of the rectangle given below its perimeter is 72 ikkada here one rectangle given what is the length here this is length no this is breadth what is the length here 5x plus 4 breadth how much x minus 4 perimeter ichesadu length of rectangle is equal to length of the rectangle is equal to 5x plus 4 breadth of the rectangle is equal to x minus 4 perimeter of the rectangle is equal to perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 72 meters. What is the perimeter of the rectangle formula, ma? Perimeter of the rectangle formula what? Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to, what is the answer? 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B is equal to, ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు మనకి 72. 2 into L means what? 5x plus 4 plus breadth what? X minus 4 is equal to 72. 2 into 5x plus x 6x plus 4 minus 4 cancel అయిపోతుంది 0 వస్తుంది is equal to 72. 6 2 jar 12. 12x is equal to 72. X is equal to 72 by 12. How much? 12 table. 6. 6 12 are 72. Now find out the length and breadth. Length how much my here? Length is equal to 5x plus 4. That is equal to 5 into 6 plus 4. 5 6 are 30. Plus 4 is equal to 34 is the length. Breadth. X minus 4. X how much? 6. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Once look at, check it. 2 into L plus B. That is equal to 2 into 34 plus 2. 2 into 36. 36 2s are 72. 72. Correct na? Correct na? Once look at ma. Here length of the rectangle is equal to 5x plus 4. Breadth is equal to x minus 4. Perimeter of the rectangle how much given? 72 meters. What is the formula perimeter of the rectangle? 2 into L plus B. Here in our sum, what is the length here? 5x 2 into 5x plus 4. What is the breadth? X minus 4 is equal to how much answer? 72. 5x plus x 6x plus 4 minus 4 0. 2 into 6x is equal to 72. 2 6 are 12. 12x is equal to 72. X is equal to 72 by 12 is equal to 6. Here substitute the x value. Length is equal to how much ma? 5x plus 4. 5 into what is the x value here? 6. 5 6 plus 4. 30 plus 4 34. What is the breadth? X minus 4. X value how much? 6. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Now check it. Clear children? Clear? Now look at the next sum. Length of the rectangle exceeds its breadth by 4 meters. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 84, find the length length and breadth. Length of the rectangle, breadth అనుకోవాలి, x అనుకోవాలి. length ఎంత అంట? length of the rectangle is exceeds its breadth by 4. x కంటే కూడా 4 ఎక్కువ అంట, అంటే x plus 4. now write it. length of the rectangle is equal to x plus 4. breadth of the rectangle is equal to x. Here, if the perimeter of the rectangle is 84, same. Before somehow to have no that like only. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to how much given now? 84 meters. Find its length and breadth. What is the formula? Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into what is the length value? X plus 4 plus what is the breadth value? X is equal to how much? 84 meters. 2 into x, 2x. 2x plus 4 is equal to 84. Bracket lo multiply చేయండి. 2 2 ja 4. 4x plus 2 4 ja 8 is equal to 84. 4x is equal to 84 minus 8. 4x is equal to 84 minus 8. 76. X is equal to 76 by 4. 1 4 ja 4. 3 36. 9 4 ja 36. What is the breadth value here? 19. What is the breadth value here? 19. X అంటే ఏంటి? breadth ఏ కదా. 19 meters. length is equal to x plus 4 అంటే 19 plus 4 is equal to 23 meters. length is equal to 23 meters, breadth is equal to 19 meters. This is the answer. Check correct or not. 2 into L plus B kadamma is equal to 84. 2 into length value how much? 23 plus breadth value 19 is equal to 84. 23 plus 19, 9 plus 3 12. 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 4 42 is equal to 2 42s are 84 is equal to 84. Clear? Length of the rectangle more than the 4 more than the breadth. అంటే x breadth కంటే 4 ఎక్కువ అంట length. breadth x అనుకుంటే length ఏమవుతుంది? x plus 4. What is the perimeter of the rectangle here? 84. What is the formula? Perimeter of the rectangle 2 into L plus B. 2 into our sum in what is the length here? X plus 4. Breadth x is equal to 84. 2 into 2x plus 4 is equal to 84. 2 2s are 4, 4x plus 2 4s are 8 is equal to 84. 4x is equal to 84 is equal to after minus 8. 4x is equal to 84 minus 8, 76. X is equal to 76 by 4 is equal to 90. 19 is what? Breadth value. Next length value. 4 ఎక్కువ అన్నాడు కదా. 19 plus 4 is equal to 23. Length is equal to 23. Breadth is equal to 19. This is the sum. Next. Next sum look at now. After 15 years, Hema says will become 4 times that of her present age. Find her present age. Let Hema's present age is equal to x. After 15 years, her age is equal to 4 times of present age అన్నాడు. present age ఎంత అమ్మా? 4 కదా, 4x అన్నమాట. సారీ x plus 15. 4 times of present age after 15 years. After 15 years. 15 years తర్వాత హేమ ఏజ్ ప్రెసెంట్ ఏజ్ కంటే కూడా 4 టైమ్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉందట. అప్పుడు 4x is equal to x plus 15. 4x plus x ఇది తీసుకురండి. minus x is equal to 15. 4x minus x, 3x is equal to 15. x is equal to 15 by 3 is equal to 5. Now what is her present age? 5 years. Once look at after 15 years. After 15 years her age is 4 times of present age అన్నాడు. అంటే 4 into 5. ఈక్వేషన్ చూడండి. 4 into x is equal to x plus 15. What is x value here? 5 is equal to 5 plus 15. 4 5 is 20 is equal to 20. Clear? ప్రెసెంట్ ఏజ్ అమ్మాయిది 5 ఇయర్స్ అయితే 15 ఇయర్స్ తర్వాత అమ్మాయి ఏజ్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? 20 ఇయర్స్ అవుతుంది. అంటే 4 టైమ్స్ ఏ కదా 5 కి 5 4 is 20 ఏనా? దిస్ ఇస్ ద సమ్స్. ఈ 5 సమ్స్ కూడా హోంవర్క్ చేసినాక పంపించండి. సేమ్ సమ్స్. నేను మిమ్మల్ని ఓన్గా ఏం చేయమంటలేదు. నేను సేమ్ సమ్స్. దిస్ 5 సమ్స్. You do with the homework and send to me. Okay, children? Thank you.